Hey guys, we're back with another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell so you won't miss any type of video I do on my channel. And yeah guys, make sure you leave a big fat like on today's video. And yeah guys, let's count down for the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should smash that like button down below this video. So right now guys, today we're going to be doing a collab with Flaming and Cartoon Guys. Say hi guys.
What's up?
And yeah, we're gonna be playing Flood Escape 1. So are you guys ready? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're ready. So let's go ahead.
Flaming, get in.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Okay, they just went down. They just went in hard, so I'm gonna spectate them. It's not letting me spectate. It's acting weird. Never mind. I'm spectating Leafy. Alright, good luck guys. Good luck. If you hear a lot of background noise, that's Flaming.
Yep.
So yeah.
Like, where the heck are you at anyway, dude?
Yeah, Flaming is like behind you. I'm spectating Leafy. And make sure you go subscribe to Leafy and Flaming. Their channel will be in the description.
Yo, Flaming, you made me die, dude.
RIP. Alright, who died? Alright, Leafy died.
Oh, nobody died.
Leafy died. Alright, did Flaming die? Flaming, did you die?
No, not yet. Oh, barely.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do easy. Hey, Flaming is still alive, so I'm gonna spectate him. No, not this person. Flaming. Oh, hold on. I spectate the wrong person.
I died.
You died? Oh, Flaming died. Alright, so we're going for easy. Let's go for easy. So there's only 6 players left in the game. Alright, which one? Easy, medium, or hard?
Medium.
Let's go for medium. We're going for medium.
Alright.
We have to wait for the players. We only have 2 players left in medium. So yeah, guys, make sure you go subscribe to Leafy. Go subscribe to XxLeafyDudexX and YaBoyFlaming. Yeah, their channel links will be in the description.
The reason why I haven't been streaming because of so much drama lately.
Yeah, me too.
If it wasn't for JK, I wouldn't have hitting 2K subscribers anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
2K?
Yeah, he's at 1K subs right now.
He sounds like he said 2K.
Yeah, he wanted to hit 2K. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pause the video until we get in the video. I will be right back, guys. Okay guys, the game has ended, so we're getting in the game right now.
Yep, you already know who it is.
Yeah, boy.
And now, back to
it's YaBoy. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Round beginning. Lowering. Alright guys. Let's go.
I could probably make a rewind, but I don't think it will not be the best.
No, I died.
Rip Makai.
Yeah, I died.
Oh, dang, I'm about to die. Oh, okay. Me and Leafy made it.
Me, you and Leafy made it?
Yep.
Okay.
To the people that watching Makai's video, as some of you may know, Flaming has recently hit over 1K subs.
We know that.
Like I did.
We know that.
Yeah.
We know that he hit 1K.
It won't let me go. Oh,
yeah.
Now it does.
But you have to jump over there. Hurry! The thing is lowering. The thing's lowering.
Yep.
Flaming's gonna die. He has nowhere to go.
I'm dead.
Alright, Flaming died.
Yeah.
Yeet. What the heck? I'm downstairs. Let me go back up here.
I also got a new phone.
Oh, hard is ready. Hard is ready. Hard is ready.
We have to wait for Flaming. We have to wait for
I
Flaming.
know.
Go,
Flaming.
go, go.
No, Flaming died. So, let's get in here. Flaming, hurry. Alright, he's done.
I'm already in.
I know. I'm just going. Alright, escape the facility. Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Wait, isn't this the same way last time?
No.
Oh damn, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
You dead? You died? Oh, Flaming died. No, I died. No.
No, I died.
Me too. Me and Flaming died. Rip in the chat.
Yo, I'm the only one left.
Yo, Leafy's the only
on,
one
Leafy.
left. Bruh, Leafy.
Leafy, you got this.
I'm gonna spectate Leafy. Hold on, let me go to
Water
heart.
coming.
I'm spectating Leafy.
Yo,
Hold on.
if this girl don't get that button. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, wait, now I
Alright. We're so close to 140 subs.
You mean one?
I did. Me.
1350?
No, I'm talking about me.
I got 1.1.
I'm almost there to like 1350.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
I think you're about to
Make
pass
sure you
Leafy,
go help them with their sub goals. Flamin', what's your sub goal?
1,150.
Nice. Also, if you guys hit 1K subscribers, you get like a 1K subscribers role in my server. So yeah, and you're in the 1K crew. Oh, Leafy is beating it. Yo, he gotta figure out the code. All right, he's trying to get to that door. Come on, Leafy. Leafy, you got this. Yeah, you got this. We didn't figure out. Oh, he got that code right. He got that code. The bottom one. I think it's the bottom. Yeah. Yo, it's lowering. Yo, go. Leafy! Leafy made it. Yo, Leafy.
Leafy is goated, my guy.
Yeah, Leafy is definitely goated. Hard is over there. Let's go for easy. Let's go to easy this time.
Wait up.
Yeah.
Alright, wait for Leafy. Alright, Leafy, come over here. The game has ended. Alright, we're doing easy.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm been ready, bro. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we come. Here we come, boys.
Woo!
Here we come.
Young Thug, see, we about to escape.
Yep, that's right.
Me and the boys escaped into the flood 2017.
Yes.
You already know.
Oh, I forgot to mention. Some person was live streaming for 2020 when it's not even that.
No, I died again. I died again.
Oh my god. Can we get a GG in the chat?
For who? Oh, Leafy?
For both of y'all.
At least we tried. That's all that matters.
Ooh.
Also, guys, make sure you go buy my merch. So, yeah, buy my merch. Also,
Yeah.
I will pin the comment. I will pin the comment for my merch, guys. Also, yeah, and buy my pants, too. I'm going to give a shout-out to Mr. Jaden for making it. So, yeah, make sure you buy my merch. Yeah. Those links will be in the pinned comment if you want to buy them.
Yep.
Alright, guys, how many rounds? How many rounds you got? How many rounds you guys want? Like, 3 or 2?
You're obviously unaware that God the Gamer is like very close to 20K.
Alright, guys, so
Like, no, seriously.
you guys want one more round?
Oh, come on.
Yo, you got, Flaming's still alive. Alright, you guys want one more round?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more round, guys.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, let's do one more round. Yeah, so we can make it fair.
I died. Oh, man,
Oh,
I
Flaming died, bruh. We all
I almost
died.
died.
Alright, so which
I
one do
didn't
you
die
guys
yet.
want? Hard, medium, or easy?
I didn't die yet.
Alright, you didn't die? Alright, we're gonna have to wait for Flaming.
Oh.
Come on, Flaming.
Come on.
I keep spectating the wrong person. What the heck?
I got it.
You got it? Alright, finally. Alright, I'm spectating. It's not letting me spectate. Alright, there we go. I'm spectating Flaming.
I got this.
Come on, Flaming, you got this. You got this. I'm spectating Flaming right now.
Oh, you got it? Alright, bet.
Alright, go. Alright, come on,
Come on,
Flaming.
Flaming.
Come on. Whoa, he's at the cold part. Oh, let's go.
Oh, with Geo as well.
Yeah, Geo. Well, I have to kick Geo. Yeah.
Oh,
He made it.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, so
already know.
easy. Let's go over to, hurry up. We gotta go to easy. Easy.
Yeah, baby.
Flaming, hurry.
I'm
Flaming.
coming.
Yo, exit. Yo, exit the lift. Yo. Alright, there we go. Alright.
Oh,
Which one should we go
go to
in?
medium.
Alright, yeah, let's do medium. Hope I don't die again.
Yeah, bro.
I accidentally opened up my OBS again.
Alright. We need to wait for 2 more players, which is art and medium right now.
Yeah, we can.
Yes. We got, alright, this is our last round in medium. So this will, after medium, we're ending the video. So yeah.
And also, once Makai is done with editing his video, I'm gonna post it to my community, and y'all will subscribe to him.
Yeah. Yep, that's right.
And I'll put y'all in my community.
Alright, Flaming.
And but to make it worse, yeah.
Alright, we still got 2 players left right now.
Huh?
We still got 2 players in medium.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna spectate one of them. So, the game has ended. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
The game has ended, guys.
Last round.
Alright, yeah, this is the last round. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Whoa. We're here we come, boys.
Let's go, baby. Almost done.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Folks
yeah,
are
we're
pushing
already
folks
done.
off.
You can't push.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang, got it.
Oh, I got in. Alright, yay.
Open it up.
Yo, that was the easiest one.
Press it.
Someone has to press the button. Bruh.
Nobody press it.
No.
Oh, no one has to press
Makai,
it.
get back in.
No. Yeah, I finally got in. Yo, watch out.
It won't open up. Oh, let's go.
Alright, this way.
It
I went to the
opened
wrong
up.
way.
Go the other way. How do you get up there?
Yeah, how?
I'm stuck.
Bruh, how you get up there? Bruh! I died! No!
Oh, no,
I died. How we get up there? Bruh, did you die?
Like, that jump seems impossible.
I know,
I
right?
think that's only for PC players.
Leafy, Flaming, you died? Flaming died. Alright, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, Flaming, come near me. Because we're about to do the outro. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go subscribe to XxLeafyDudexX, which is in the description.
We already know what it is.
And also, guys, make sure you go subscribe to YaBoyFlaming, which is in the description. And yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, guys, hope you guys have a good day. Yeah, peace out. Say bye, guys. Say bye.
Peace out, boy.
Bye. See you guys next time.